Previously on Nana Diaries.
Yeah, last name no not. Oh, yay! So today, my church usually does an amazing day once a year. They pack a bunch of food and they go and serve the local community for those that are not fortunate enough to have a shelter and a home in the holiday period. So today is packing day, and I'm gonna take you to check out how we do it in style here. So now I'm gonna go pick up my little princess, then we'll go and grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna go to church to start packing. It's packing day, so we're gonna have some fun today. See you shortly. Traffic is bad today, guys. Say hi. So we're gonna go get some donuts. We're gonna grab a bite to eat and then we'll go to church. Traffic was insane today, but we're not giving up. It's so worth it. We're gonna keep going. Ready?
Ready, steady, go.
We made it. Let's try to see if we can help pack. All of these people are packing also and helping out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We had so much fun packing. All this food is gonna go to the local food bank, and that's gonna help feed people who are not able to have traditional Christmas dinners. So thanks for watching.